There's still a lot of uncertainty around the federal government's vaccine mandate for healthcare workers, but leaders are having to make preparations for February 14th when it's set to go into effect. The mandate, announced last fall, applies to hospitals and other certified health facilities that participate in Medicare or Medicaid. After legal challenges, including from Montana, the U.S. Supreme Court allowed the mandate to stand. By February 14th, affected facilities will have to show they have a plan for ensuring their staff get vaccinated, and all employees will have to receive at least a first dose, unless they have filed a religious or medical exemption. Healthcare workers would need to be fully vaccinated by March 15th. Rich Rasmussen, president and CEO of the Montana Hospital Association, says providers started preparing for this months ago, and they're ready.
Our members are completely confident that they'll meet the requirements of the CMS vaccination requirement.
On Thursday, Governor Greg Gianforte released an open letter to healthcare workers. In it, he said the Supreme Court's decision left legal questions unanswered, and the state would continue to challenge the mandate. But in the meantime, he encouraged unvaccinated workers to consider filing religious or medical exemptions, or talk to their doctors about getting the shot. He also included a standard form for employees to claim a religious exemption. Rasmussen said they've offered a similar template to their providers, and the exemption procedure isn't that different from how they currently handle flu vaccines.
The total focus among everyone here is to ensure that not a single community in our state will be disrupted by this vaccine mandate. We want to make sure that if you're in an automobile accident, you'll have the full complement of services to treat you. If you're going to deliver a baby, you'll have the full complement of services to be able to treat you.
I spoke to Attorney General Austin Knudson's office on Friday. Knudson is one of several state AGs who, after the Supreme Court's ruling, filed an additional legal complaint seeking to stop enforcement of the mandate. They pointed particularly to the changing circumstances around the Omicron variant. That case is scheduled to have some last-minute filings made over the weekend, so there's still a long way to go to determining exactly what will happen with the mandate in Montana on Monday, February 14th. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.